Did you know that nature has its own design to maintain a healthy river? Hi, I'm Katie with Friends of the Reedy River, here to talk with you about riparian buffers. A riparian buffer is an undisturbed, naturally vegetated strip of land along a waterway that protects water quality, provides wildlife habitat, and stores floodwaters. Without a buffer, rivers are subject to erosion, increased pollution due to stormwater runoff, habitat loss, and greater flooding downstream. The wider the buffer, the greater the protection. At a minimum, buffers should be 30 feet wide to stabilize the stream bank and trap sediment, our #1 pollutant in the Reedy River. Buffers that are 100 feet wide have shown to remove nutrients from runoff and create important habitat. Animals such as deer, otters, songbirds, and pollinators appreciate a wider buffer. To maintain a healthy riparian buffer at home, work, or school, plant a native mixture of grasses, trees, and shrubs. They stabilize the stream bank and prevent flooding.